There are two ways to live a pleasant life, either in someone's heart or in someone's prayer. Allah never rejects our du'as, He just answers them in different ways. For us, Alhamdulillah. Sujood, a love story no one will understand except those who pray. Prophet Muhammad pointed towards his earth, thrice and said, Taqwa, the piety, is here. The best gift you can give someone is dua. Never lose hope and trust in the power of dua. Allah will grant you everything you want as long as it's good for you. Man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy success. The Prophet ﷺ said, richness is not having many belongings, but richness is contentment of the soul. If Allah wants to do good to somebody, He afflicts him with trials. There is no pain Allah does not understand. There is no struggle Allah does not know. There is no cry Allah ignores. The sign that Allah wishes good for someone. When Allah wishes good for someone, He bestows upon him the understanding of deen. O Allah, support me and help me, and do not let others empower me. Guide me and make the following of your commands easy for me.